To view your payment history on Wix, follow these straightforward steps to access and review your transactions. This guide will help you navigate the Wix platform effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Start by visiting the Wix website and logging into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the payment history you want to view. Step 2. Access the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Wix dashboard. This is your main control panel where you can manage your website and account settings. Step 3. Go to the Billing and Payments section. In the dashboard, look for the Billing and Payments option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your financial information related to your Wix account. Step 4. View Payment History. Within the Billing and Payments section, find the Payment History tab. Click on it to view a detailed list of all your transactions, including dates, amounts, and descriptions of each payment. Step 5. Download or print your history optional. If you need a physical copy or a digital file of your payment history, look for an option to download or print the information. This can usually be found near the payment history list. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your payment history on Wix. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Wix support for help.